Welcome to your ultimate guide to transforming your living spaces with 50 clever Amazon storage solutions. These innovative products are guaranteed to keep your home organized and stylish. Best of all, these items are currently available on special deals. Don't forget to check the links below for more details. Let's dive in. Keep your entryway clutter-free with the OROPY mail holder featuring key hooks. Its sleek matte black metal wire mesh design complements any decor while offering a practical solution for storing letters, magazines, and essentials like keys and leashes. With 5 sturdy hooks and a compact basket, it's the perfect organizer to add style and convenience to your home. Say goodbye to undersink chaos with the Relin Undersink Organizer. Designed with a pull-out 2-tier system, it maximizes cabinet space for storing cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen essentials. Made from durable materials, it's easy to install and fits seamlessly into any bathroom or kitchen, offering a hassle-free way to keep everything within reach. Reclaim your closet space with the Storage Maniac over-the-door shoe organizer. Featuring a dust-proof curtain and deep pockets, this organizer can hold multiple pairs of shoes while keeping them protected from dust. Perfect for dorms, narrow doors, or small spaces, it's a game-changer for shoe storage solutions. Add rustic charm to your entryway with the Walker Edison Modern Farmhouse Shoe Storage Bench. This 42-inch bench offers hidden storage compartments and an upholstered cushion for a cozy seating option. Organize shoes, bags, or other essentials while giving your home a farmhouse-inspired touch. Upgrade your wall storage with the Moco magnetic key holder. This 2-pack set provides strong adhesive-backed magnetic racks that hold keys, tools, or accessories securely. Sleek, minimalist, and ultra-functional, they blend seamlessly into your decor, making them a must-have for modern homes. Add rustic elegance to your home with the Macono floating shelves. This set of 2 wooden shelves features a built-in metal wire basket for added storage and display options. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or kitchens, these shelves combine function with farmhouse charm. Maximize closet space with the Hanging Closet Organizer. Featuring 6 spacious shelves, this organizer is perfect for storing clothes, accessories, or shoes. Its durable fabric and reinforced seams ensure longevity, making it a smart choice for decluttering wardrobes. Transform messy drawers with LifeWit adjustable drawer dividers. These expandable 4-inch high dividers fit snugly into any drawer, allowing you to organize clothes, utensils, or office supplies effortlessly. With their sturdy design, your drawers will always stay neat and tidy. Showcase and protect your shoes with the thick and sturdy Clear Shoe Storage Organizer. This 6-pack of stackable, foldable boxes features magnetic doors for easy access. Designed to save space, they're ideal for closets and shoe lovers who want their collection on display. Keep your clothing pristine with clear garment bags. This 4-pack includes gusseted bags that can accommodate suits, dresses, or coats. Perfect for open closets or seasonal storage, these bags protect your garments from dust while allowing easy visibility. Illuminate your spaces with BLS LED motion sensor closet lights. Rechargeable and magnetic, these lights feature 52 LEDs for bright, energy-efficient lighting. Perfect for closets, under cabinets, or stairways, they offer hassle-free installation and exceptional versatility. Organize your pantry with Vtopmart large stackable pantry storage drawers. This 4-pack of clear acrylic bins is perfect for storing dry goods, snacks, or bathroom essentials. Their stackable design maximizes space, making them an essential addition to any organized home. Declutter your kitchen with these magnetic spice racks. This 4-pack of metal racks sticks directly to your fridge, offering a convenient place to store spices, condiments, or small jars. Sleek and sturdy, they're a perfect fit for any modern kitchen. Streamline your food storage with Joseph Nest containers. This 12-piece set features stackable, color-coded lids and bases for easy organization. Microwave safe and airtight, they're perfect for meal prepping, leftovers, or kitchen storage. Make dishwashing a breeze with the GS Life Expandable Over Sink Dish Rack. Its stainless steel construction adjusts to fit your sink, providing a sturdy space to air-dry dishes. Complete with a utensil holder, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Combine storage and seating with the Pin Plus folding ottoman bench. Its spacious interior is perfect for toys, blankets, or shoes, while its padded top offers comfortable seating. Stylish and multifunctional, it's an ideal choice for small spaces. Save space with the Iron's tall, narrow bookshelf. This compact 8-tier shelf is perfect for displaying books, decor, or plants. Its sleek design makes it a great addition to living rooms, offices, or bedrooms. Say goodbye to cable clutter with this cable management box. Designed to hide power strips and cords, it keeps your workspace or entertainment area tidy and safe. Durable and sleek, it's a must-have for tech-savvy homes. Upgrade your living room with the Sedita lift-top coffee table. Featuring hidden compartments and multifunctional storage, this table converts to a dining or workspace in seconds. Its modern design makes it as stylish as it is practical. Add discreet storage with the underdesk drawer organizer. This no-drill solution is perfect for holding office supplies or personal items. Its metal construction and smooth sliding mechanism make it both sturdy and convenient. Make the most of your bathroom with the over-toilet storage shelf. This 3-tier freestanding unit features sturdy metal construction, a paper holder, and hooks for extra functionality. Perfect for holding toiletries, towels, and decor, it maximizes vertical space effortlessly. Add a decorative touch to your home with the simple trending blanket ladder. This 5-tier metal rack includes 12 hooks, perfect for hanging blankets, towels, or accessories. Its sleek, modern design complements any space while offering practical storage. Optimize under-sink storage with this 4-tier organizer set. Measuring 14.8 inches deep, these narrow pull-out shelves are ideal for storing cleaning supplies or toiletries. Their sliding design allows easy access to everything, even in tight spaces. Declutter your drawers with the Wow Box Clear Drawer Organizer set. This 25-piece set features bins in 4 sizes, perfect for organizing makeup, jewelry, or office supplies. Transparent and stackable, they make finding your essentials a breeze. Upgrade your dental hygiene setup with the wall-mounted toothbrush holder and cleaner. Featuring smart light cleaning, fan drying, and a digital display, this innovative device keeps toothbrushes sanitized and organized for a healthier routine. Store heavy tools and supplies with Reby heavy-duty garage shelves. This 5-tier unit supports up to 2,020 pounds and features adjustable shelves for custom organization. Its durable design is perfect for garages, basements, or pantries. Keep your workshop tidy with the Power Tool Organizer wall mount. With a 150-pound load capacity and 7 drill holders, this sturdy iron rack provides easy access to your tools while maximizing wall space. Take your tools on the go with the Keeter Master Loader Rolling Toolbox. Featuring a locking system and removable bins, this rolling chest ensures your power drills, wrenches, and accessories stay organized and secure during transport. Transform your workspace with the Pegboard Organizer Wall Control Kit. This 4-foot metal pegboard includes accessories to hold tools, hardware, and more. Sleek and durable, it's an ideal storage solution for workshops or garages. Maximize wall storage with garage hooks for hanging tools. This 6-pack of heavy-duty J-hooks is perfect for holding ladders, shovels, or bikes. Made of durable metal, they keep your garage neat and tools easily accessible. Save space with the Elborn folding side table. Its versatile C-shaped design fits seamlessly beside couches or beds, offering a convenient surface for drinks, books, or laptops. Stylish and practical, it's perfect for small spaces. Utilize unused space with Yeke under bed storage containers. These rolling metal drawers are perfect for storing shoes, clothes, or blankets. Durable and easy to access, they keep your items organized and out of sight. Create a multifunctional workspace with the Need wall-mounted folding table. Its heavy-duty design folds down when not in use, making it ideal for small kitchens, offices, or laundry rooms. Rustic and functional, it's a great space saver. Grow herbs, flowers, or vegetables with the Outland Living vertical garden bed. This freestanding unit features 4 planter boxes, perfect for patios, balconies, or indoor spaces. Durable and stylish, it's a gardener's dream. Organize your wardrobe with Kalimdor space-saving pants hangers. These metal hangers feature an anti-slip design to securely hold pants, scarves, or skirts. Their vertical layout saves closet space while keeping your clothes wrinkle-free. Add extra storage with the over-the-door hooks organizer. Featuring 7 hooks and 2 mesh baskets, it's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or entryways. Durable and waterproof, it's an effortless way to declutter small spaces. Keep your kitchen organized with Vtopmart food storage organizer bins. This 8-pack of clear plastic bins is ideal for sorting snacks, spices, or packets. Stackable and versatile, they're a pantry essential. Expand your storage with Songmix cabinet organizer shelves. This set of 2 stackable shelves offers extra space for spices, dishes, or pantry items. Featuring a modern ink black and wood design, they're both functional and stylish. Streamline your workspace with this desk drawer organizer. Featuring adjustable dividers, this 4-pack mesh tray set organizes pens, paper clips, or other office supplies, ensuring a tidy and productive environment. Maximize shoe storage with the Kitstarack stackable shoe rack. Its 8-tier design accommodates multiple pairs of shoes, while its compact structure fits small or narrow spaces. Durable and customizable, it's a must-have for any shoe enthusiast. Double your closet space with Storage Maniac adjustable closet rods. This 2-pack features sturdy hanging bars that fit any wardrobe, offering a simple and effective way to organize your clothes without remodeling. Showcase your hat collection with the StorageWorks wooden hat organizer. This set includes 2 racks with adjustable stainless steel clips, ideal for caps or fedoras. Functional and elegant, it keeps your hats in pristine condition. Make composting easy with the ELPHECO kitchen compost bin. This 1.8-gallon hanging bin features a lid to lock in odors and fits perfectly under cabinets. Eco-friendly and compact, it's perfect for small kitchens. Streamline your laundry routine with this slim laundry basket. Featuring a narrow design, bamboo handles, and a removable bag, it's perfect for tight spaces. Durable and stylish, it blends seamlessly into any room. Declutter cabinets with Mara Fancy hanging kitchen baskets. These adhesive wire baskets fit over cabinet doors, offering extra storage for pantry items, cleaning supplies, or spices. No drilling required, they're both practical and versatile. Add storage anywhere with NeoSmuck heavy-duty magnetic hooks. Capable of holding up to 130 pounds, these versatile hooks are ideal for cruise cabins, kitchens, or garages. Compact and reliable, they're a must-have for organizing tight spaces. Customize your storage with the Hershey Expandable Closet Tension Shelf. This heavy-duty organizer adjusts to fit any wardrobe, adding space for clothes, bags, or shoes. Easy to install, it's perfect for renters and homeowners alike. Transport items effortlessly with the WDT heavy-duty rolling utility cart. With a 990-pound capacity and 3 sturdy shelves, it's ideal for kitchens, restaurants, or garages. Durable wheels ensure smooth mobility wherever you need it. Upgrade your bathroom with the Kafia freestanding towel rack. This 3-tier alloy steel stand includes a basket for extra storage, making it perfect for oversized towels or blankets. Stylish and practical, it enhances any space. Showcase your greenery with LSK rotating window plant shelves. This 4-tier metal rack allows plants to rotate for optimal sunlight exposure. Ideal for homes or offices, it combines functionality with eye-catching design. Thanks so much for watching. If you're ready to transform your home, don't forget to check out the links below for these awesome deals. Hit like, subscribe for more ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy organizing!